Hello everyone, you have reached Regina TV and I have been in my home just playing, and coming up with wonderful hacks. So if you want to see what I have in store for you today, then just stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get to it. Alright guys, well the first hack that I will be showing you, I will be contacting my banister with Dollar Tree wallpaper. Wait till you see how great it turned out. All right, guys, now that we're done with the banister, let's move on to the next project. All right, guys, when it's time for me to take a nice relaxing bath, you will not believe what I use. Okay, guys, so when I'm ready to take a bath, I come down here in my catch-all room. I take the picture off the wall. I come in my bathroom and I simply place the picture across my tub. And when I'm ready to place anything on there, it holds perfectly. And guys, that's how I use my picture on my wall as a tub caddy. All right, guys, if you're like me and you love moving things around and changing the look of a room, then check out this hack. You're going to love it. Now right here, we're in my dressing room and I have this beautiful bowl here, right? Let me show you what I'm about to do with this bowl that I can use to hold makeup, towels, flowers, anything I want to use this bowl for. Nice crystal bowl. I got this from Burlington. Let me show you what I'm about to do with this bowl. All right, guys. Well, one of the things that you are going to do, you are going to go to the Dollar Tree and get a picture hanging kit. And in that picture hanging kit is these hooks. And they come in different sizes, okay? These hooks come in different sizes. You're going to take your bowl. You're going to hook it underneath. Okay? And you're going to go around the whole bowl with as many as you feel like you need. Me, I'm only going to use maybe 3 because this is just an example, okay? All right, guys, depending on what you're trying to hang, you'll know what size hook to use out of the dollar store picture hanging kit. Now, with my basket, I am simply going to see the hook there? See the hook? You hook it around whatever basket you have. Put it there. Put it there. And these are simple and quick ideas that you can use just to freshen up your space if you're tired of your space looking the same way. And guys, I'm telling you, look at that. That's not going to go anywhere. Even if I turn the ceiling fan on, it is not going to move. Look at that, guys. It's not going anywhere. And when I'm done, I just simply unhook it. It's a breeze to take down. All right, guys, if you love to wash your dishes, then this hack is for you. All right, guys, we are in my kitchen. And a lot of times when I don't want to run the dishwasher, because there's not enough dishes to run the dishwasher all the time, I wash the dishes by hand. And sometimes I run out of room to let the dishes, drain and dry while I wash the other dishes. So, in order to come up with a solution for that, I use these. These are the bacon racks from the Dollar Tree. And depending on what size your sink is, you can simply take the baking rack and set it down on your sink, and you can sit things on there to let them drain. If you have glasses, the glasses can sit on there, no problem, and they can drain while you wash the other dishes. Or you can combine two to fill up the whole space. And you could take some zip ties, whatever color you would like to use. So you take the zip tie and simply zip tie them together. Now if you want, you can do 4. Take the zip tie, put it in here, and zip tie them together. You take your scissors, you cut it, and as your dishes are drying, you can use dishes, pots, pans, bowls, plastics, whatever you want to put on here, and they will drain into your sink. That is really helpful for me. And guys, this idea is also good for letting your dish towels and your sponges drain and dry properly. All right, guys, the other hack that I want to show you are with chopping mats. When I am at my sink and I'm washing dishes, sometimes the water splashes all back here on my wood surrounding my window. So to keep my area and my frame from around my window getting wet, I temporarily put placemats right here. That blocks all the moisture from getting on my window frame. And when I'm done, I take them, wipe them off, or I can let them drain on my rack. All of these little tips, guys, have helped me clean my house faster and better. All right, guys, well, that was just the tip of the iceberg. If you would like to see more videos like this, then leave a comment down below and I will be sure to bring you more content like this. Well, guys, you have reached Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know when my next video is coming out. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Tell me what idea you would like for me to come up with. And I'll talk to you later, guys.